Hey, Tyler. He's straight in front of you. Dude, he didn't go anywhere. He died right in a scrape. Oh my God, dude. Holy cow. That thing's huge.
Oh, he died right away.
Oh yeah.
That, folks, is what you call a giant. That thing had to be at least 24 inches wide. Unbelievable. He was right here. He's in the same chunk of woods I'm in. And I thought I seen him when them two does came crashing through. I thought I seen big white horns down there. But then he must have bedded down in there. And I grunted probably 10 minutes before that. I seen him. He must have came up and he must have been walking right towards me. And then the neighbor was driving his four-wheeler around and spooked him. Probably would have had that deer 20 yards. Wow. Yeah, I'll be back here after him.
What's up? Alright, it is October 29th, Sunday. This is the morning after. I seen that big buck last night. Seen him, he was chasing those two does and that. And then the neighbor ended up scaring him on his four-wheeler, which was less than ideal for me. Yeah, not really happy about that, but it is 26 degrees right now with 0 to no wind at all. And looks like it's gonna be a great morning.
I'm cold and hungry. I'm not sure if I should pass that buck up or not sure about the hit, so I'm gonna go help him. But first of all, I'm gonna hang a new stand. November 11th. I'm back at her again. Back at this place that's kind of by my house here. I was getting burnt out driving an hour each way every day to hunt. I haven't been seeing much over there, so I decided to stay around home today and hunt home turf. That's a big buck. I don't really know how I feel about that shot. I don't know. I hope I blew past that shoulder. God, I don't know. That was the only shot I had because he was going to keep going this way towards his left, and he would have went in that thick stuff, and I probably never got a shot at him again. So that was the only shot I had on him, and I don't know. Tried to drive it right up the pipe there, right through his shoulder. I don't know. Oh man, yeah, it's a nice buck. Finally got a chance at one. Finally. I've been doing this for 2 weeks straight. Every day, just about all day long. And I have not had a chance at a nice buck this year. I've been passing on small bucks, and there it was. I finally got my opportunity. And I hope I made it count.
Why?
Hi.
Are you back already?
Yes.
Wow, you're good. Is he dead or what?
I don't know. That's why I'm here.
Well, I'm not leaving the comfort of this house unless he's dead. It looks cold out there. Is it cold out there?
I don't know. I was only out there for a half hour.
Yeah, it's hard to get cold in half an hour, I guess.
My coffee was still warm when I got back to the truck.
I had to warm some up. I think I slept through 6 alarms this morning.
I was gonna say, you're supposed to get up before me.
Yeah, I was supposed to get up and start coffee at 4. Woke up at 6:30. A lot of Bud Lights on top of there. How you feeling, buddy?
I don't know how I'm feeling. Not very good.
Hey, Tyler. He's straight in front of you. Dude, he didn't go anywhere.
Thank you.
That is a deer you smell.
Isn't that nuts?
Hold on, let me see if I can find him in here. Dude. Oh my God.
Man. It's been a long time coming. Lord, holy.
You're going really slow. Come on.
I just kind of want to watch this and see what he did.
This is where I saw him go down there.
Oh, hell, he didn't go far at all.
No, I bet he went
100 yards?
not even. He died right in a scrape. Oh my God, dude. Holy cow. That thing's huge.
Oh, he died right away.
Oh yeah.
Look at that scrape he just died in there. Oh my God, this thing is...
Dude, look at that tine coming right in the middle.
Oh.
Oh, that's a freaking pig.
Are you kidding me? Look at the brow tines on him.
No way.
What?
Dude, you're literally sitting here over this deer.
What was that? Did he come into like 10 yards almost?
Oh, I could have shot him from right here easy. Oh. And the camera's sitting back there.
Sitting here in blue jeans.
He must have just smelt that.
Yeah, that ain't no joke there. That's
That's
nice
a
one.
brute. Those brow tines are sweet.
Not as big as yours, but look how they curl back.
I know.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, honestly, when I first seen him, when I called you, you're like, "Oh, is he a 10-pointer or what?" I'm like, I had no clue. I just seen the rack and just went into kill mode. Like, how the heck am I gonna film this and kill this thing?
How does that feel, kid?
Been a long time coming, my friend. Feels fantastic.